Hey, tree enthusiasts! Welcome back to A Quick Note. Today, we're diving into the world of trees, Arbor Day, and why planting them is more crucial than ever. If you're passionate about our leafy friends, you're in the right place. But before we unravel these tree mysteries, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to A Quick Note for more nature-filled content, and let's jump right into it. Ever thought about why we really need trees? You know, those green giants that pop up everywhere, making the world a more colorful place. Well, let's break it down in a simpler way. Imagine you're strolling in the park, and you see this tall pine reaching for the sky. Or maybe you live close to an orchard, with all those fruit trees lined up like soldiers. Even on your way to school, there's probably a cool, shady elm tree just hanging out. Now, trees aren't picky. As long as they've got enough water, warmth, and air, they can set up shop almost anywhere on Earth. They're like the globetrotters of the plant world, hanging out on 6 out of 7 continents. Antarctica, though, is the one place where they decide to take a rain check. But here's the real question. Why are trees so important? What's the deal with Arbor Day? And what in the world is reforestation? Let's dig into these tree mysteries together. Ever wondered why trees are such a big deal? You know, those towering green pals that seem to sprout up everywhere, adding a burst of color to the world. Let's simplify this. Picture yourself taking a leisurely stroll in the park. You glance up and spot a tall pine tree soaring into the sky. Or maybe you're lucky to live near an orchard, where rows of fruit trees stand like a disciplined army. Even on your way to school, there's likely a laid-back elm tree providing some refreshing shade. Now, trees aren't fussy beings. Give them enough water, warmth, and air, and they'll call any place on Earth home. They're like the jet-setters of the plant world, chilling on 6 out of 7 continents. Antarctica, however, is the one spot they politely skip. But here's the real head-scratcher. Why are trees so crucial? What's the buzz about Arbor Day? And what on earth is reforestation? Let's unravel these tree mysteries together. Arbor Day kicked off in Nebraska, thanks to a guy named J. Sterling Morton. Back when he was the secretary for the Nebraska Territory, he had this cool idea. Let's make a day dedicated to planting trees. So, on April 10, 1872, the very first Arbor Day happened. People all over Nebraska rolled up their sleeves and planted a whopping 1 million trees. Impressive, right? And now, J. Sterling Morton is known as the father of Arbor Day. But here's the plot twist: Morton's tree planting vibe caught on. Other states wanted in on the action, too. Fast forward to 1972, President Richard Nixon thought, hey, why not make Arbor Day a national holiday? So, he did just that. Now, nationally, we celebrate Arbor Day on the last Friday in April. But hold on, not every state follows the same script. Since the weather varies across the country, each state picks the best time to throw their tree planting party. Check out the map to see when your state joins in the Arbor Day fun. Planting trees is just as crucial now as it was in Morton's time. Think about it, in many parts of the world, people are chopping down trees and entire forests. Some are cut down for wood, others to make space for farms or buildings. When all the trees in an area are removed at once, it's called clear cutting. Sometimes, though, people do the right thing and plant new trees, and scientists call this reforestation. Now, here's the catch. Deforestation is when trees are chopped down but not replaced. And that's not great for the environment. Soil starts to wash away without tree roots to hold it. Animals lose their homes and might even disappear forever. Plus, the extra carbon dioxide in the air makes the earth hotter. But fear not. Arbor Day steps in to remind us how important it is to plant trees. It's like a little nudge to look ahead. See, when we plant trees today, it takes years for them to grow big and strong. So, the tree you plant now will one day offer shade, clean the air, and provide homes for animals for generations to come. Yet, here's the thing. Arbor Day is just once a year. Trees need love every day. And guess what? You can make a difference. How? Well, how about taking care of the trees around you? Maybe use less paper and other wood-based stuff. And hey, who knows, maybe you can team up with someone to plant a tree. Every little bit helps. There you have it, fellow tree lovers. We've explored the importance of trees, the roots of Arbor Day, and why every tree counts. If you enjoyed this leafy journey, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to A Quick Note for your regular dose of quick and fascinating insights, and remember, every tree planted today is a gift for tomorrow. Until next time, keep it green and stay curious.